So let's take a look at this exception. You can come over here, click on this X. It's going to show you that the message system.null reference exception, object reference not set to an instance of an object. And of course, right away, I already know what I did wrong. I totally forgot to write our setup method. So I'm going to do public void setup. And I didn't initialize the driver, guys. That's what happened. Driver, new Firefox driver. There we go. Awesome. So now that's good. Let's see why it's complaining over here. Is never assigned to and will always default to null. And all that's missing is to put up another attribute here. Test setup. And so now using NUnit, what's going to happen is it's always going to execute the setup first, and then it's going to execute the test. So let's come back here again and do another run. And this time I believe that it should work. It built. Yup, here we go. Here's the browser. Popped up. Goes to courses.ultimateqa.com. And then asserts that it's true. That's it. It doesn't do anything else but that. You can see that the test passed successfully. Of course, as expected, because we did assert is true is equal to true, right? So that's why it's going to pass. But anyways, so now we got our very first test. It's not really parallel, but it's an NUnit test that runs using NUnit. You can see in the test explorer, we have the test that it ran and all that here. You can actually even see it with ReSharper as well. Here's running it with ReSharper. Yeah, with ReSharper it's not going to work because ReSharper doesn't work with NUnit. So therefore that's not going to work. So you can only use Visual Studio Test to run your tests. Okay? Awesome. So let's move on.